In the metal process industry, the problem of rust on metal surface is often troubling us. It not only affects the aesthetics but also potentially damage the performance and the lifespan of the metal. To solve this problem, we have specially launched the PerfectLaser cleaning machine. The laser cleaning machine, as a leader in the field of metal surface cleaning, are gradually changing traditional cleaning methods with their high-tech characteristics. This machine is not only easy to install and operate, but also can easily achieve automation, greatly save labor and time costs. Simply connect the power and turn on the device to enjoy a clean experience without chemical reagents, media, dust, and water. Its unique autofocus function makes the surface cleaning easy and the surface cleanliness after cleaning extremely high. It can completely remove stubborn stains such as resin, oil, stains, dirt, rust, coatings, and paint from the surface of the objects. Do you want to learn more about laser cleaning machine? Don't hesitate anymore. Contact us right now. PerfectLaser look forward to exploring the mystery of laser cleaning with you and providing more efficient and environmentally friendly solutions for your cleaning work.